Khwlwmkha Joto takhwk bwkhwk tai lamsogo ani o channel फायदे जों दिनै नायलायनाय कृषि विज्ञान केन्द्र खवाइनि हयते कायसा गोताल एडभार्टाइजमेन्ट फाइमानि नराव नगुमानो अबंखा बंनि वेबसाइट फायदे जों बंनि हयते जे एडभार्टाइजमेन्ट फाइमानि जों आबनो ताबुक नायलायनो ताखुक बुखुक सं नरक नगुमानो अबंखा बंनि एडभार्टाइजमेन्ट नम्बर अंखा 02/2021 दिव्योदया कृषि विज्ञान केन्द्र खवाई त्रिपुरा host organization अंखा श्री रामकृष्ण सेवा केंद्र कोलकाता वेस्ट बेंगल applications are invited from the Indian citizens for the post of assistant high office superintendent-cum-accountant at KVK Khowai Tripura. A complete biodata along with recent passport size photograph, self-attested relevant documents, high certificates, complete postal address with mobile number and email, etc. to be sent to senior scientist and head Divyodaya Krishi Vigyan Kendra Khowai, Post Office Ankha Chebri, District Ankha Khowai, Tripura 799207 on or before 1st November 2021. Takhwk bukhwk song Ojobni post ni bumung angkha assistant high office superintendent-cum-accountant norok nugimano oba KVK Khowai Tripura ni bagai norok jodi interest angke noni complete biodata tai noni recent passport size photograph thebawoi noni joto documents the certificate stock self attested khai boni o address o sogoina nangnai before 1st November 2021 tai obongkha pay scale 9,300 nishimi 34,800 jora plus grade pay angka 4,200 6 CPC te obon bagi age limit angka maximum 30 years of age as on last date of submitting application. Relaxation for SC ST is 5 years and OBC is years as per central government norms. Takhwk bukhwk song obongkha bongni pay scale tai maximum age angkha 30 tai SC ST bagi 5 years relaxation tongo tai OBC bo tongo central government norms ni onujai tai essential qualification nangnai o job ni bagi bachelor degree in commerce high BBA from the recognized university plus 3 years work experience accounts and establishment high or MCom high MBA plus year work experience in accounts and establishment and knowledge in computer application is must. Takhwk bukhwk song borok computer application nongni thani knowledge to nangnai oboni bagai tai to ang saini rokha je qualification oro tamni bagai nangnai norok jodi obnotoi interest tongkhangkiba apply khaidi takhwk bukhwk song jora tongsinino tin bagai to sngno Belai kheno hambai ashok jora tin norok ani o video no naima bagai Belai kheno hambai Khwlwmkha